प्रियांशु के जोक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. He is a very funny guy.
I'm still growing as an actor. I don't know what I've done sometimes in a scene. I'm not that experienced enough to understand कि I've given a good shot.
मेडल्स जीतने के बाद ही स्पोर्ट्समैन की बातें मत करो, उनकी जिंदगी के बारे में जानो, थोड़ा सीखो और अपने जिंदगी में इन बातों को करो ताकि हमारे समाज में एक बदलाव आए.
क्या आप ये बात कंफर्म तरीके से कह सकते हैं कि आप हमारे देश में, हमारी दुनिया में चल रही हर एक छोटी बड़ी प्रथा के बारे में जानते हैं? Well, I feel that you guys will also agree that you do not know everything about actually that has happened in the history of our nation. Because रश्मि रॉकेट देखने के बाद एक ऐसी चीज हमारे सामने आती है जिसके बारे में शायद ही हम सब लोगों को पता था. जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं जेंडर टेस्टिंग की, जो कि इस मूवी का मेन क्रक्स है, मेन सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है. जहाँ पे तापसी पन्नू एक एथलीट, एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन रश्मि का किरदार निभाते नजर आती है. वो आज मेरे यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ जुड़ेंगे रश्मि रॉकेट की कास्ट प्रियांशु एंड साथ ही साथ अभिषेक, जो करेंगे अपने कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात, what went behind the making of their characters, why choose Rashmi Rocket, and a lot more in depth about the movie itself. आइए करते हैं शुरुआत आज के chat session की.
Well, I would say firstly, welcome to Telechakra and congratulations for Rashmi Rocket. But then, even when I have to begin up, I would love to know कि आप लोगों के characters के लिए when you were approached as individuals, आप लोगों का first reaction and as a viewer feedback क्या था?
Yeah, I too was very, very excited to hear a story like this. I was really unaware of something like gender testing, but when Akash told me the whole story, I felt this is a story which has to be told. And the way he was narrating the story and the way it is written was beautifully, I think, coming together, because it's through relationships, it's through this very strong character, Rashmi. We are addressing this, this topic of gender testing. And I really feel that people now start talking about it. It's a very special film because of the kind of people who are involved in this film. Everybody from RSVP, Taapsee, Abhishek, Akash, of course, and also very special because I was getting to play Army officer for the first time on camera. So everything coming together, I think I was very, very excited from day one and in it. And I think the way it has come together is also very, very beautiful. It is... it's very entertaining to watch a film like this, at the same time being inspired to watch a film like this. So that's great.
Perfect. What about you, Abhishek? What was your feedback and why say yes to it?
Yeah, I mean, saying yes to it is, of course, the script. I think that's the main thing. I mean, whenever I read the script and if I connect to it, or if it tells me something which inspires me as an actor, then I take it. And this is a story about a gender test, a law, irrelevant law जो पता ही नहीं था मुझे उसके बारे में. तो when I read the script, I didn't even know that there is actually this kind of a gender test which is happening not only in our country but in other countries, and which is hampering the female athletes' careers, their motivations, their confidence. And to just know about this was only like something which was quite intriguing for me, because I consider myself somebody who has fair bit of knowledge about what's happening in the society and what's happening around. So if someone like me doesn't know, then imagine the common man. And we always show the glory, we always celebrate their medals, their success, their wins, but we really don't talk about what goes behind that success and what happens to a sportsman in a country. So yeah, I think it was a very important message, and it was a very important fight. It was a fight worth fighting for, and that's what the whole film is about. It's about a sportsman's struggle and the kind of age-old irrelevant laws they have to deal with.
Well, I would agree that I also did not know about this one, but when I saw the trailer is when I actually went and I saw that, okay, was it really true, or maybe they just एक छोटे से इंसिडेंट को they just created like a huge film out of it. But
correct,
I also had
correct,
to do a survey.
और ऐसा भी नहीं कि एक बार हुआ है, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि एक बार हुआ है, बार-बार हुआ है, बार-बार होता है. बहुत लोगों ने लड़ाई लड़ी है. Many have lost their battles, many have won their battles. So this has been an ongoing fight for many years now.
Now I would love to know that this is about the concept, but then as actors, when you are given a role, how do you approach that? Even if that you're briefed about it, do you do your set of art? Do you do your preparations? What did you do for this character in regards, I would say?
I think मेरे पास तो मौका ही नहीं R&D करने का, कोर्स बंद थे. So the only R&D I could do is through internet and through talking to my friends. And what I try to do usually in every character is try to get into the skin, in the sense कि उसका जो इंसानी दिमाग है, the human self of the character, that is more important for me. The profession comes next. So I wanted to understand what Ishit is, how he is, how what makes a man go out of his comfort zone to help others and help a complete stranger and bring about the change in the society. To feel like a good Samaritan was good, because we, in our usual lives, we are unable to help everyone. We want to, but probably we don't have the resources. But to live a life of a man like Ishit through my craft or through the film, I think these are the kind of stuff we all actors want to do, so that we can I think have an experience of what goes around in our world. So yeah, and that's the only probable research I did, to find out how many lawyers actually do it, and how they do it, and why they're doing it. Because it's not about money, it's not about fame. They just want something to be corrected. They just want to fight the unjust laws.
Perfect. What about you, Priyanshu? आपने अपने character के लिए, because you said first time आप play कर रहे थे, did you do like an R&D or something for your character?
R&D was happening since childhood, so the basics were everything. Of course, I mean, I used to watch films, which portrayed me officers. I used to in fact point out things that this is what they're doing wrong. I sergeant myself in NCC. I used to train at least 20-25 cadets under me.
So Priyanshu, you were telling us about the preparation. So ऐसा क्या था जो आप अपने character के लिए, because you just said that you have never played it, but then you were wanting to play it from so long. So what were you preparing for your own character?
I think mainly one thing that since I was growing up in obviously an army environment, my dad's been an army officer. I used to myself point out issues in a lot of films which I used to see, basic things कि without hat salute नहीं करते हैं. हमारी बहुत सारी Bollywood films में ऐसे चलते चलते बिना कैप के ऐसे salute करके चल जाएंगे. Like ये नहीं होता, और अंदर ऐसे होता है कि अरे ये नहीं होता, ये basic है. Now when I was doing a role, of course, for the first time as an army officer, then my thing was even 1% I should make a mistake, otherwise फिर मेरे जो army friends हैं who are in army, my dad or somebody मुझे डांटेंगे कि यार तू पहले लोगों की गलतियां निकालता था, why are you doing this mistake? So of course, I mean, there was this really conscious effort of making sure that I don't go wrong anyway. In fact, on set also, once we had a confusion, me and Akash, even I was confused about something about the hat in my first scene, in fact, in the film, when I am introduced. So I called up my dad late at night from Bhuj, and I said, listen, there's this confusion, and he cleared it for us, and then we went ahead. Apart from that, I think otherwise I had to train myself a little bit physically to look a little bigger, look like an athlete army officer. I've always been a lean guy, so did a little bit of weight training for 2-3 months. And yes, emotionally, when I connect with the characters, I try to empathize with him, and I try to see if I can relate to him and empathize with him, then the character will, the audience will also do that. And how can I make him a really mature guy who speaks less, but has a lot to say with anybody, whether if he's meeting Rashmi and is trying to be this mature guy. And he's funny, he's shy, and he's a sweet guy. So there's a lot which Gagan has, and me and Akash try to mold him that way. Yeah, but the basics was this, and of course the chemistry came in when Taapsee and we started working together.
हम on screen देखेंगे that how the whole chemistry of bond between all of you, the story is also gonna get unfold. लेकिन off screen अगर मैं पूछूं, when you guys were actually sitting there for, let's say, the first script reading or whatever, how was that mahol, sitting with all the actors and discussing about your characters and seeing कि okay कौन कैसा reaction देने वाला है अपने अपने किरदार पे. तब कोई stories हैं, तब की कोई ऐसी fun moments हैं जो आप want to share with the fans out there?
मैं तो सीधा सेट पे मिला था, I think.
हम लोग actually, because it was just after the first lockdown, film was actually supposed to start pre-COVID, and when the pandemic happened, we stopped the film, was everything. Remember when slowly, after the guidelines opened up, is when we started the process. So we actually, all of us, we started working only on set. We couldn't do any workshop, reading.
But then वो
generally love to do.
कैसा था? When you guys met on the sets and you guys had already read the script. आपको पता है कि कौन character play कर रहा है. So you have this छवि बन जाती है mind में. तो वो meeting कैसी थी? What was the first things towards each other?
सब डरे हुए थे कि सब मास्क पहन के आए हैं. We were all every day, every second day or something, we used to keep taking that swab test. Our noses were bruised, our throats were bruised.
Yeah.
No, but frankly, I mean,
nobody was hugging, nobody was shaking hands.
Oh yeah, all that also.
Sorry, Priyanshu, sorry.
No, I was saying, for me, one of my favorite parts in the film is also Ishit, and I was really happy when I saw Abhishek come on the set to play that part. Because it's very tricky. When you watch the film, you'll realize why I'm saying that part can, it can go either ways. It has to be a very balanced performance. Somebody who can pull it off. I was really happy when Akash told me that Abhishek is coming and going to play that. I was like, nice. Well, I think from the day one.
Had you seen each other's work in prior? Had you seen एक दूसरे का काम पहले before?
We are very good friends. We are very good friends before we met on set. So I think तो कोई ऐसी वाली tension नहीं थी.
Seen each other's work and he's given me work also. So I mean, my first film came from him, right? So he cast me for Rockford 2. Which was the most special audition which we did, I have done ever.
Being the central character of the whole movie and the whole movie being based on her, how was it working with her? Did you have any special moments while filming the movie with her, or what was it like, the two of you?
Every time she was running, I think we both were in awe. I think
that's true.
Yeah, I mean, to just see the kind of physical transformation she went through and the kind of hard work she was putting in. और इतना भाग रही थी बेचारी, मतलब सुबह उठ के भी भागती थी, फिर शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद भी भागती रहती थी. तो उसको देखकर मतलब हम लोग यही सोचते रहते थे कि यार मतलब like this is like we have got a easy character, so it's easier just lines याद करो और कर लो. But not to go through the kind of physical rigorous training which she had gone through. Of course, she's a good actor, that everybody knows, that everybody has seen. तो वो तो मतलब अब हर सीन में तारीफ तो करने वाले नहीं, अरे क्या काम किया तापसी आपने, वो I think कभी ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला. बट वो थ्रू आउट आई थिंक जिसे कहते हैं कि एक अप्रिसिएशन एक दूसरे के लिए बनी रही, और बीच बीच में मजाक मस्ती भी चलती रहती थी. मतलब यही रोज का माहौल ही स्पेशल था. every scene is I think special. Every time we shoot something together. Okay, let me tell you one thing. When I was doing that वो खाने के टेबल पे जो सीन था ना, when Priyanshu and Taapsee and I'm giving them some tips, and I think ट्रेलर में थोड़ा है भी वो, वहाँ पर वो जो सीन था वो बहुत मुझे मजेदार लगा, because these two had already built their chemistry and I was, क्योंकि फर्स्ट हाफ आई थिंक पहले थोड़ा बहुत कुछ शूट हो चुका था और मैं थोड़ा लेट आया था, तो मैंने इन दोनों की ना एक अलग सी केमिस्ट्री देखी जो ऐसे लगा कि अच्छा, दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद ईच अदर एंड दे आर एक्चुअली बिहेविंग लाइक हस्बैंड वाइफ, हाउ दे वुड जस्ट एक लुक से जो बीवी नाराज हो जाती है और एक लुक से जो आप थर्ड जो तीसरा आया हुआ होता है उसको समझ में आ जाता है कि शिट यार ये अभी थोड़ा कपल के बीच में टेंशन हो गई है. एंड वी प्लेड आउट दैट सीन आल्सो. देयर वाज आई डोंट थिंक देयर वाज ह्यूमर देयर, बट वी ट्राइड टू क्रिएट सम ह्यूमर देयर. And yeah, I mean, I think that was very, very special for me. Both of them were like, और दोनों offset मतलब लड़ते रहते थे, क्योंकि प्रियांशु के jokes बहुत अच्छे हैं. He is a very funny guy.
As actors, either you see a work or you don't see a work, or maybe you see a work and you criticize it a lot. What category do you guys lie in? Do you criticize your work or do you not criticize? Do you see a work or do you not see? What is it like?
I criticize my work a lot, and a lot matlab I am my biggest self-critic so much that sometimes I feel ज़्यादा भी कर रहा हूँ, but I do it so much that afterwards when people criticize me, which I love listening to, तब मुझे लगता है हाँ ठीक है, मैं अपना को 10 times ज़्यादा कर चुका हूँ, अब आप जितना भी कर लो, मैं तो अपने head में. But I also point out, I want to watch my work because of course we're still learning and I'm still growing as an actor. I don't know what I've done sometimes in a scene, I'm not that experienced enough to understand कि I've given a good shot. Because sometimes the directors say, oh, बहुत अच्छा shot दिया. और मुझे नहीं समझ में आया मैंने क्या किया. So I want to watch it later in the film, wherever I've done it, and understand, oh, this is where I'm also good at. And slowly I've explored myself there and understood, oh, these are my good points also. I can play, as an actor, I can do this good. But ये जगह है जहाँ सुधार लाना है.
Abhishek, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, are you like a big critic of your own work, and do you watch your work or you don't like watching your work?
No, I watch my work. I mean, I won't lie about that. I love watching my work. I love watching myself on screen also. मतलब मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है अपने आप को देखकर पर्दे पे, छोटे बड़े किसी भी पर्दे पे. And but मतलब it's a very personal thing where I don't like some of the scenes. जैसे प्रियांशु ने बोला है, पूरी परफॉर्मेंस ऐसे कभी नहीं लगती कि यार कुछ नहीं पकड़ा. But then, of course, there are some scenes when I'm like, yes, ये तो मतलब तूने बहुत अच्छा किया. वो खुद को ही मैं तारीफ कर देता हूँ. और फिर ज्यादातर क्या बोलते हैं सीन्स में ये रहता है कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है. So over critical, like very. I think I'm very extremely critical about whatever I do. So that is why every time somebody praises me, I don't trust them. मुझे लगता है कि झूठी बोल रहा है. मैं तो उतना अच्छा किया नहीं था. Why is he like praising me that much? But then जब बहुत सारे लोग बोलने लगते हैं ना, तो धीरे धीरे आपको लगने लगता है कि चलो मतलब ओके, कुछ तो ठीक किया, या फिर इस बार उन लोगों को पता नहीं चला, अगली बार इसको अच्छे से करूंगा. Because it's very difficult to. I don't think any actor can accept themselves on screen the way the audience is accepting them. ये बड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि आपको तो पता होता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. इनफैक्ट you remember that शूटिंग के टाइम आपको ये भी याद होता है कि अरे इस दिन मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था, या ये सेट पे ये इश्यूज थे. तो it's very difficult to detach yourself from the character. But I hope ऐसा हो कि मतलब कोई ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस दूं जहां मैं अपने आप को ही भूल जाऊं. उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? I mean, Black Swan kind of a performance. But let's see. I mean, वो कभी आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Where the performer is basically trying to forget herself, like so.
Lastly, fans को ये बता दीजिए सिर्फ that what future projects apart from this can they wait for you guys to see, and because obviously they're gonna love your work in this particular project. What can they expect out of the upcoming months?
I think the only announced one which I also आजकल नहीं, generally भी I think you have to wait for the production and producers to announce the film or your series. But there's definitely a very interesting series which I shot for is coming this year. It's a really good one, big one, which I'm really waiting for people to watch. Peepa is the film I can talk about. We just shot the first schedule.
I am like shooting for a few projects now which will release next year, but officially I can talk about like Bhedia will come out next year, early next year, and Aankh Micholi is going to come out, I don't know, this year or next year. Then I did a short film with Sumit Purohit, who is the director of Scam. So he has directed one, film, and it's actually Vakil Babu, where I play a lawyer again. But this time the lawyer is different, and his purpose is different. So in fact, the date Rashmi Rocket's trailer released, I was shooting my first day for Vakil Babu. So I really found that a beautiful connection.
Well, thank you so much for joining with me today here at Telly Chakkar. I wish you all the luck. I wish the entire cast of Rashmi Rocket good luck, for the release of the film. I'm excited. Any parting words जो fans को कहना चाहेंगे, कब कहाँ कैसे देख सकते हैं?
Z5 October 15th.
Guys, Rashmi Rocket is releasing.
Yeah. And
सिर्फ मेडल्स जीतने के बाद ही स्पोर्ट्समैन की बातें मत करो. उनकी जिंदगी के बारे में जानो, थोड़ा सीखो और अपने जिंदगी में इन बातों को करो ताकि हमारे समाज में एक बदलाव आए. और अगर लड़ना चाहते हो किसी भी चीज से, तो अगर इंस्पिरेशन लेना है तो ऐसी फिल्मों से लो. That's all.
Thank you so much, guys. I wish you all the luck. It's a pleasure having the two of you here at Telly Chakkar.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहां आज मेरे मेहमान थे Priyanshu and Abhishek himself. Well, they were talking about their characters and a lot more that went behind the making, and how was it actually working with Taapsee Pannu herself. Well, you do stay tuned to Telly Chakkar और नीचे मैंने comment section में अपना feedback देना ना भूलिएगा, and also 15th October को Rashmi Rocket देखना ना भूलिएगा, because indeed it's quite beautifully made and they have put all their heart, blood and sweat inside the movie itself. Until then, stay tuned. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.